Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to view your transaction history in Metro Bank for 2025. Whether you're budgeting, spotting errors, or just keeping tabs on your spending, this feature is a game changer. It's quick, straightforward, and we'll walk you through it step by step. So, grab your phone or computer, and let's dive in. First off, make sure you have the Metro Bank app installed on your device or access to their website. If you're new, download it from your app store or head to metrobankonline.com. Once you're ready, log in with your username and password. Security is key, so double-check that you're on a secure network. Step 1. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the Accounts tab. It's usually front and center. Tap or click on it to see a list of your accounts. Pro tip: if you have multiple accounts, select the one you want to check, like your checking or savings account. Next, in Step 2, navigate to the Transactions or History section. This might be under a menu icon, like 3 lines or a hamburger button, depending on the app's 2025 update. Once there, you'll see a detailed list of your recent transactions, including dates, amounts, and descriptions. Awesome, right? For Step 3, if you need to dig deeper, use the filters. You can sort by date range, category, or even search for specific transactions. This is perfect for that coffee run you can't remember. Metro Bank's 2025 interface has made this even smoother with intuitive search tools. Finally, in Step 4, if you want to save or share your history, look for an export option. You can download it as a PDF or CSV file for your records. And remember, always log out after you're done to keep your info safe. There you have it. Viewing your transaction history in Metro Bank is that simple. This update for 2025 makes banking even more user-friendly. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.